What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to assemble and fire up your Outland Firebowl, and I'm also going to give you my first impressions. The first thing you're going to do is open up the box and remove all the contents, the owner's manual, this is the lid, here's the unit itself, here's the bags of rocks. There should be 4 bags of rocks, 1 large, 2 medium, and 1 spare. This is the propane stabilizer ring. The straps are the carrying straps. And here's a look at the regulator and hose. The hose itself is 10 feet long. And just a word of note, in the instruction manual it says only a 20-pound LP gas cylinder should be used for this appliance. Next, you want to make sure the firebowl is completely clean before you start adding the rocks. And you're going to want to add the 2 bags of medium rocks first, and then finish off with a large bag. And the 4th bag is spare rocks, and these can be stored and used as replacements. And this is what it should look like after adding all the rocks. Next, you're going to put down the liquid propane stabilizer ring and put your 20-pound propane tank into it. And the minimum distance between the tank and the firebowl itself should be 36 inches, although it does say to extend it as far as safely possible from the firebowl. Then install the regulator to the tank itself securely. Then slowly open up the tank valve. There's an excess flow safety device on this tank regulator, so if you open it up too fast, it may trip that. Light your lighter above the burner and slowly open up the valve until it ignites. And here's a good look at what it looks like on the low setting, and on the high setting it gets a couple inches higher. You can also adjust the variable valve anywhere between the high and the low setting. To extinguish the fire, you're first going to turn the cylinder valve to the closed position. Then you're going to turn the fire ring valve to the off position by pushing and turning the knob clockwise. Before you transport the firebowl, you're going to want to make sure it's totally cool. Then take the cover, put the cover on, take the straps, and they hook at 4 different positions as shown here. Then disconnect the propane hose, wrap it up, and you're ready to carry it with you. Overall, for under $150, I think this is a pretty well made unit. Puts off a lot of heat, and so far we're pretty happy with it. This is one of the smaller ones that Outland makes, and I believe there's at least 3 sizes. So if you guys want to pick up one of these firebowls, check out my link below. And also, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And also check out all my other maintenance videos. And we'll see you in the next one.